Good day, everyone. Welcome to Wanies Academy. Our subject for today is physics, where our topic is reflection. Objective of today's lesson is for you to understand what reflection is and reflection ray diagrams. What is reflection? Reflection is the bouncing back of a wave when it strikes a surface or a boundary that cannot pass through. See, that bounce back is what we call reflection. So let's think of it that we have a ray. This is a ray moving, but we have a surface here. See, at this point, when all these rays got to a certain point here, there will be a bounce back of it, and that is what we call reflection. So this is incident, while this is reflection. So reflection is the bouncing back of a wave when it strikes a surface or boundary and cannot pass through it. So when a wave reaches a barrier, it changes direction and travels back to its original shape. So we have laws of reflection. The angle of incidence equals to the angle of reflection. What does that mean? It means that the angle in which these rays get to the surface, that is the same angle it needs to bounce back. And that is what we call laws of reflection. While the second one is the incident wave, reflected wave, and normal all lie in the same plane. So all these are the laws of reflection. Now, reflection from surfaces. We have two types of reflection: specular reflection and diffuse reflection. What does that mean? Specular reflection deals with when that surface is a smooth surface. And diffuse reflection means when that surface in which rays bounce back is a rough surface. That is the difference between two types of reflection, which is specular reflection and a diffuse reflection. So reflection from a smooth surface in a single direction is what we call a specular reflection. So with this, in this case, the angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. So we have it to be incidence ray. That certain angle in which these rays get to the surface is equal to that certain angle in which it reflects back. And that is why we say incidence ray angle is equal to the reflected ray angle. That happens the same in diffuse reflection. But in diffuse reflection, there is rays being scattered. Why? Because of the rough surface. When light incident on the rough surface, light scatters in all directions. So here, even when light scatters in all directions, it also goes with that same angle of the incident ray. So even though a table surface might look smooth from afar, but it is actually made up of some tiny ridges, and this will scatter light. So when light scattered, it leaves the surface in all directions, just like this. And this is what we call a diffuse reflection. So that will be the end of today's class on reflection. See you in our next class. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like this video. Bye.